If you're looking for how to make your Microlocs or Sisterlocks smell amazing, you are in the right place. Hey guys, hey beautiful, how you guys doing? So today's video, I am going to be making DIY scents, okay, for our locks, because we want our locks to smell amazing. Sometimes we get a little sweating here and there after working out, and we want the locks to smell great and moisturized. I bought a bottle of organic sweet oil, and sweet oil basically is olive oil. Next, I added 7 drops of lavender essential oil. And then I added 8 drops of the vanilla fragrance oil. So the vanilla is not an essential oil. It is more of a fragrance oil. And then I'm going to be using this coconut fragrance oil also because I love the vanilla and coconut. It gives this nutty, sweet, coconutty smell that I just love. So these are the 2 fragrance oils that I'm using, and the only essential oil in there is the lavender essential oil. Did you know that vanilla is good for itching skin or inflammation? So yeah, the vanilla should help us here, even though it's just a fragrance. And then the lavender essential oil is good for skin problems, even alopecia. So that should help us. The coconut fragrances just smell good. It just smells good. We do know that coconut in itself is also moisturizing to the skin. However, this is just a fragrance oil, so I don't think it has any benefits. The other thing we used was the sweet almond oil. And of course, olive oil is very hydrating, so we should get some good benefit from that. So guys, this is basically how I make my locks smelling good. This is my DIY fragrance Loc Refresh spray. So to this, I will mix some distilled water, some aloe vera gel, and then some of the oil in my bottle spray. Shake it up while I spray it into my locks. I do this usually at night. I make sure my locks are not damp when I'm going to bed, but I do it at night to kind of braid my locks up if I want a curly look in the morning. So I hope this helped you. Try it out. Let me know if it works or it didn't, how you feel about it. Feel free to use whatever oil you have or whatever mixture you have, but try the fragrances, the vanilla and the almond, and let me know if you like it. I use distilled water so it can last a little longer because I don't want my spray stinking or going bad. All right, guys. Okay. Now, I appreciate you spending your valuable time watching my video. Appreciate you, for real. So I will talk to you guys in the next. If this helped you at all, then share it with a friend. All right, guys. Bye. Good thing about this is mist in my hair. It smells great. I love that sweet coconut smell. All right. The aloe vera is doing it. Look, compare here to here. I just sprayed this. I haven't sprayed this yet. Hydrating, good smelling hairspray / elixir. We just did that. So try it. Of course, I make sure that I use distilled water so it can last a little longer. And I only mix a little bit at a time. I appreciate you. Bye.